Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. As we know so far, FluxBuilder has been upgraded to the version 1.2, along with many amazing improvements, such as breathtaking designs and stunning features. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. When it comes to user perspective, one of the most challenging barriers is how to move from our current working environment into FluxBuilder. Knowing that, we have come up with the new exporting and importing configuration files. So for example, on my right hand side is the FluxStore project, which has been customized. So the question is, how can I import this design into FluxBuilder so I can continue working on it? So this is a plain project in FluxBuilder. To migrate your current project into FluxBuilder, you have to import in two files. The first one is the configuration file, which is the env.doc, and the second one is the design file, which is config.session. Point it out to your environment.doc file, and this is how it looks like. Then do the same for the config.session file. After that, navigate to the Home tab to see the result. You can also increase the size of the simulator by adjusting this value. So it seems like the project from our IDEs has been successfully migrated to the FluxBuilder. Now let's do some work. In the previous version, the only way to edit any layout in home screen is to modify them one by one, separately. And things will get very complicated if you want to edit multiple layouts at a time. But for now, the new feature, Bulk Update, has come to save the day. You can also collapse or expand any layouts to get things organized. What I'm trying to do here is to modify the logo layout. I also want to edit those two product layouts. So for now, let's say that if we got too many home layout items on my right hand side that I can't even distinguish which one of them is holding the value on the simulator. This time we need the color preview feature. To turn it on, click on any layout icon. The icon's color will match exactly its layout design on screen. Thanks to that, we can make changes on the exact layout that we need. Besides the new design, FluxBuilder 1.2 also provides customers with many new functionality options to configure with a FluxStore or FluxNew projects. Let's start with changing the loading icon. This feature allows us to customize the spin kit icon and its size. Not only simple widgets such as loading icon, one signal, app rating, or caching. Complicated layout designs such as product tag could be easily customized. What I'm trying to do here is to modify the product information and add a shadow box on the product card. Okay, we have changed the loading icon as well as the product card. Now navigate back to the Home tab to see how it looks like. I know my design looks like a mess, but please bear with me here. I just want to show you how it works. Now what I'm trying to do is to export our recent work from FluxBuilder into our IDEs. To do that, I will replace directly the new env.doc file into my current project, and I will do the same for the config.session files. However, if you don't have experience with that, please try to backup those two files and then copy the new environment.doc and config.session files into your current project. So after confirming that the env.doc file has been successfully replaced, I will run a hard restart for all the changes to take effect. Okay, the product card is successfully updated, and the loading icon is also already modified. Let's see it one more time. And not just that, FluxBuilder can also help you to get your hands on nearly all the functionality available in the app. For example, At the login screen, what I want to do here is to hide all the social login options except for the Google login. And here are all the steps that I gotta take. Firstly, open FluxBuilder. Click on social login integration. Secondly, I'm gonna turn off all the unnecessary social login options. And then click on update. Going back to our app. So let's say here, I want to delete all those two languages, including Hindi, Spanish, and French. So here, what I'm going to do, click on languages option, swipe to the left on the languages item that I want to delete, and don't forget to click on update to save our change. So now I'm going to export all those iterations to see if it works on our simulator. I'm going to do the same as my previous export activity. But once again, if you don't have any experience with exporting those files, it's highly recommended that you should backup those two files. Wait for our app to be loaded, and when it's done, navigate to the login screen. You can see that all the social login options have already been hidden except for the Google login. And in the language screen, the three languages I want to delete have already been hidden. Moreover, if you own any extended license from Inspire UI, you can make FluxBuilder even more powerful. There are several powerful extended features, such as generating dynamic link, push your configuration file into Firebase. Also, you can get the access to all the available payment methods in the store. Especially, now you can generate IVA or ABK files without touching any code, thanks to build feature. Let's try to generate some IVK files. First, locate our project location. Then update our app name, app icon, or bundle ID if needed. Third, update our key secret. Finally, click on build release ABK. Things might take a while. So when it's done, you can get all the ABK files by following the path that mentioned in the console log on our right hand side, which is exactly build, app, output, flutter ABK. And here they are. Now you can use those files to install on your physical devices or publish your app to Google Play Store. Now let's start with building IBA files. First, open your project folder. Second, fill in your computer password and to make this code work. For the rest information, please take a look at our description to know how to fill them. When it's done, click on Install Profile until you see the congratulations message. Click on Next and then click on Build iOS. This step could take from 15 to 45 minutes, so please be patient. When you see the congratulations message, please go to this path in order to find the IVA file. This is my IPA file. Now you can use this file to test on iOS devices. So this is the end of the video. There are still several amazing features that haven't been covered in this video, so feel free to play around with them FluxBuilder. We hope that it could give you a better vision about FluxBuilder new updates. Hopefully, FluxBuilder could make your business even more successful. If you got any problem when using FluxBuilder, feel free to leave us a response. And thank you for watching.